We're just in Elmsley meeting up with all our family friends. It's our family shoot today. Looking forward to a brilliant day. And this is the beautiful Yorkshire town of Elmsley. I think we're a bit early. It's usually thronged with shooters meeting up for all the various shoots around here. This is the meeting place. It's a very, very wintry morning. Hopefully it's going to dry up. We'll get on. Hopefully we're going to have a good day. Nice to welcome you all back to, where are we, Frank? Bridlington. Let's have a really nice day. Weather's cleared up a bit, so let's get on with it. Everybody enjoy it. It's all about fun and not shooting anybody.
No effing and jeffing.
No effing and jeffing. I'd like to welcome you to our family do, Andy. I think you'll enjoy it.
I think so, guys.
It's a good drive, this first drive, this Tasty Bank, what we call it.
Yeah.
There's some good birds. In fact, they're starting to come now. But enjoy yourself, buddy.
I will do.
If shooting through trees, always make sure there is plenty of sky. Some people find this a very difficult shot. I find maintain lead is the best way to overcome this. You will then shoot through a perceived hole in the trees.
Well shot, boy.
You shot well, Dave. Thanks for that.
Well, we both did, eh? I cleaned a few at back of you and you cleaned a few at back of me, mate. That works, that's harmony, that.
I like that when I shot it and you saw it, it's coming there, it dropped here somewhere.
Yeah, well shot, mate.
Oh, yeah. You had some crackers
Just to
there.
prove the crow's as good on pheasants as he is on pigeons. Well shot.
Mark's hit this bird, still hasn't finished it off properly, but you can see the value of a back gun. I'm actually back gunning to Mark and Rachel, and so I'm able to finish anything off that does actually get pricked or wounded. Show how Mark has missed this bird in front. He doesn't miss much, but the bird got cleanly away for another day.
What do you think to the last drive then, Andy?
Yeah, it's great.
Some tasty birds there, weren't there?
There was.
Yeah.
I see Mark shoot a nice
Yeah.
cockbird, a nice
Yeah.
bird out the back there.
Yeah.
I couldn't keep my eye on you that time. Though,
yeah,
Dave.
no, I were back going for racing. Rachel shot quite well actually. So
Oh,
I think
good.
what shooting I did get were good, were good birds
Well, that's
like.
good stuff here. That's good stuff.
But did you know some cockbirds wanted
They wanted a
a
lot.
lot of lead?
Yeah, I'll tell you, they come off top. They come off that top and you think, oh,
Yeah.
and you just sit on it and you think,
Yeah.
nah. And
They don't look like they're doing out, do they?
they don't. They
No.
just look like they're just floating there, but they did need some stuff.
That's why I get a lot of second. I do get a lot of second battle kills myself.
Yeah.
But when you go on really high cockbirds, there's sometimes they just look like they're doing no at all.
That's it.
And
You don't give them enough.
that wasn't enough. And then
Yeah,
chuck
that's
another
it.
load of lead on and
Yeah, that's
think,
what I was doing there.
You know.
I was like missing them with the first and
Yeah.
Jesus, and just push on that last little bit.
It's hard to get that picture right
It
every
is,
time,
it
isn't
is,
it?
isn't
You
it?
know.
Yeah.
Anyway, good luck for this one.
You too, Dave. Front, Dave.
Further on in the film, we come to a bird that Andy Crow misses in front with the first shot. On his second shot, just goes over the top of the bird, unarmed. The bird flies on. Another one for another day. We're just going to have a toast to our old friend, our Desmond, and we remember him with fondness. And Frank's going to blow the horn. The old huntsman gone to ground. Cheers, Des. Thank you. Have you enjoyed it?
Brilliant. It's been absolutely brilliant. It really has.
Been a bit of fun. We've had a laugh as well, haven't
Yeah,
we?
we have,
Off
yeah.
peg.
Yeah,
You know.
of course, yeah. That's what it's all about, mate.
We only get serious when we get on the peg. We've got to do a job. We've got to make sure everything's killed cleanly and everything.
Yeah.
That's what we like to do. Make sure everything's done properly. We don't want to be stuck there laughing and joking on the peg.
No,
We've got a
that's
job
right.
to do. You know.
I see a lot of woodcock today, though, Dave.
Well,
Lovely to see them, isn't it?
it's lovely to see him.
Yeah.
And one thing about Yorkshire, I think I only know one. I'm not going to name it, but I only know one estate where they're now shooting woodcock.
Yeah.
Everywhere else have decided to have a woodcock ban. Not a ban as such, but to refrain from shooting them, which I think's a good thing. If you remember when the wildfowl were having it hard, it's maybe 7-8 years ago now, it was a really hard winter and everything froze over, and the shooting fraternity decided to have
They banned. They just stopped going.
they stopped shooting altogether. They stopped shooting any wildfowl because they were having it hard anyway. And this is what the countryside's about, and the shooting fraternity's about.
It is, isn't it?
It's we don't want to kill everything. We want to. The only thing we're doing is we're killing a surplus. They don't shoot grouse unless they've got a surplus on that moor. But if you look at the species that survives on a grouse moor through grouse shooting, of course, and the money that's spent on the moor, and same with pheasant shooting and partridge shooting. There's a lot of finches, a lot of wildlife that survives all the way through the winter because everything's getting fed. They need it.
All the finches, like you're saying, all the finches are getting all the small seeds. Yeah. Well, they wouldn't otherwise get.
Yeah. Anyway, nice for you to come and shoot a nice little Yorkshire shoot.
Thanks for the invite, Dave.
On our family day, mate. It's been a pleasure having you, mate, and well shot as well.
Cheers,
Lovely.
Dave.
Well done anyway, mate.
All right.
Proper day, yeah. Thanks very much. Yeah, lovely day.
Young Max.
You've seen your videos, you want to...
Nice to meet you, Max. Yeah, how you shooting, lad?
Yeah.
What you been doing today, beating?
Yeah.
Good lad, you've done a fine job as well. Put some bloody awesome birds over us there.
Yeah.
Keep the good work up.
Yep.
Do you do a bit of practicing with gun?
Yeah, I've got a 28 ball.
Good lad.
Yeah.
Keep away from them 410s.
Yeah.
That's a lovely start as a 28 bore. Good lad. And who's this young fella?
This is my lad.
Wow.
Dave.
Hi, keep a young, what I call you?
Alfie.
Alfie. Wow, what a name that is, Alfie. That's a proper man's name is Alfie, isn't it? Hey, proper. Well, it's nice to see two young lads. Smart, look how smartly dressed they are as well. Oh. Proper country boys.
Smart than me.
Yeah. Yeah, and thanks once again for bloody having us. It's honest. It's also a pleasure here, Brian. It is. I love it. All the best shots in the world, all at the same time, eh? Bloody hell. Good lad. Well done, boys. Take care.
Yeah, you too.
See you later, Alfie. Well done.
Good luck with your chicken and golf ball.
What a beautiful day out in the Yorkshire countryside with my family and friends. But it made my day when I was introduced to the two young lads, Max and Alfie, who apparently watch all my films. It's fantastic that we can have such an influence on youngsters, and I appeal to everyone involved in the shooting sports to encourage as many youngsters as they can to get involved in our wonderful countryside and its many diverse pastimes.